Hey everyone, Jeff here again from Gutter Wiz. From Toorak to Mount Eliza today. Called out to get this job done urgently for a real estate client, and it's got this temporary gutter guard stuff in here, and I just wanted to show you why you shouldn't waste your money. So here, as you can see, it's plastic mesh, stuff growing out of it there. Colorbond gutters, they don't normally rust, but look at that, that's pretty well rusted out, that one. Whether that had the mesh in it, I don't know. This one here, big plants growing out of it. I won't even bother putting that mesh back in, I'll just rip it out, clean it, and advise them to get the gutters cleaned more regularly, because what happens is that all that stuff goes through, fine dirt and dust, and stays wet, doesn't get any sunlight. So you can imagine it's like shaded under there, stays wet. So of course that rust out the metal. See this gutter over here. Oh, it's pretty high, this little building here, so yeah, that one looks like pretty well rusted out as well up there. And they're colorbond gutters, believe it or not. Look after colorbond, it should last for years. You can see they're all rusted out. Just neglect. Anyway, nice view up here today. You see that's Arthur's Seat over there in the distance. Down Dramana way. You can just see that there. It's a pretty warm, humid day, February. Anyway, this is Jeff, Gutter Wiz. I'll see you next time. Bye.